Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside cordless cross-line laser 4V. It belongs to the performance line of Parkside. The model is PKLLP 360B2 with a green beam laser. Integrated battery Li-ion 4V 2.6 Ah. Accuracy 0.4 mm per meter. Working range is up to 20 meter. Projection modes is self-leveling and pendulum fixing. Leveling time is approximately 4 seconds. Self-leveling range is minus to plus 3 degrees. Accessories included inside we're gonna find out together. Up to 4 times better laser line visibility. Up to 80% larger work area compared to the Parkside cross-line laser PKLLP. Self-leveling 360 degrees rotating laser for precise all-around projection. And as you can see, it has a 5 years warranty. Who gives 5 years warranty? No one except Parkside. Thumbs up, Parkside and Lidl for the 5 years warranty. Let other manufacturers see that and maybe change. Let's see some other specs. 360 rotating laser with a horizontal all-around projection and vertical intersecting laser lines. Precise simultaneous mark on all room walls. You can use it in many ways. Install tiles, make a renovation, install shelves at the wall, maybe a paint. Install your kitchen countertop. I'm sure you're gonna find out the right way and use this cordless cross-line laser. Well, until then, let's find out together. Open it to see what we have inside of the box and see how it works. We've got the cable type A to type C. I like type C. Cable, it is about 1.5 meters, great. And of course the manual, don't forget that. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Now, at the unit, Parkside 360 degrees laser performance line. We've got magnets, that means you can stick it in any metal surface. We've got the Type-C connection. You need a 5V 2 amp to charge this unit. You can charge it from a power bank or a power adapter. We've got the LED indicator for charging. Inside it has a lithium battery 2600 mAh. Around we can see the laser 360. At the front it is the vertical laser. At the side we've got the leveling slide switch. You can see unlock and lock, the leveler light, and of course the on-off button. At the bottom we've got this hole for the tripod. Release with this lever the tripod mount, and then you need to screw it here and install it at the tripod. Of course, I will show you. We've got the on-off switch, horizontal and vertical, horizontal and only vertical. And again the same. Press and hold and it will turn off. Now let's mount it at the tripod. Let's open it. We've got an adjustable swivel hand with integrated spirit level. You can screw it and it will stay there. Tripod, it is with extendable center column with a crack and expandable legs. Height, it is about 1.5 meters. Expandable legs. Perfect. It is from light aluminium. I can say it is very durable, the leg. At the base we've got rubber legs. It will stay at the same position, it will not move. Screw it the base to lock. Let's install the laser. We've got this lever and it locks. It will stay there. Now you can adjust it up and down. Unscrew that and it can rotate 360. Screw it back on. We've got this lever unlocks and it can fold down at this position. and then screw it back and tighten it very well. It is a typical tripod like all the other tripods. Swivel just like that, screw, and it will lock. Magnets can hold this unit at any metal surface. Perfect. Our laser, it is at the tripod. Let's turn it on. It is locked. Turn on the self-leveling. And now we've got the vertical and horizontal green laser line. It is alignment perfect. Press the button. We've got the vertical. Press again, only the horizontal. And press again, both horizontal and vertical. It has a high brightness of the laser beam. Definitely you can see everything. The beam, it is around my room. My room, it is about 30 square meter. Even in a high brightness on the surrounding, definitely I can see the laser line. And the self-leveling is not getting more than 3 to 4 seconds. Great job, I like it. Performance line from Parkside. It costs about 60 euros, rechargeable, and it will last long enough to do your job, make a renovation at your home, install shelves at the wall, screw a paint, so many things that you can do, and you will enjoy a perfect straight line. You've got the tripod, it will help you definitely to do your job better. Magnets at the unit, install it wherever you've got a metal surface. Lock if that you want, and then you will have a steady straight line laser beam. It will not move until you unlock it and do a self-leveling. And you can see inside here it is the 360 laser beam. Well guys, that was all about high brightness of this laser beam, and it will do the job. If you want to buy it, it's your choice. You can see what it can do. It is the performance line from Parkside, and definitely it feels very durable, very well manufactured, and I think is worth the money of 60 euros. And buy it and do your job. And of course you can use it not only to your home and as a professional use. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know whom you need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.